Hello everyone, I'm Tanvi from India. In this video, we will learn about Grid Pals, which is a feature embedded in Flipgrid. So for that, I will click on the educator login to see what is all about Grid Pals and how it can be useful for educators to connect with other educators around the globe. So in this video, we will learn what is GridPal and how we will use it. So for that, you can see here there is an option hashtag GridPals. So we will click on this button to know that what is inside in that. So here, once you have created your profile in Flipgrid, it will be by default will be hidden. So you have to click on the active window. That means educators can connect with you or me once you have clicked on active button. So then you can select the grades that if I want to see that some are technology or instructional coaches or from the university or college. So suppose I have selected the university or college, and then it will ask me to select the subject. So let me choose here about the computer science, and then all the green buttons which you can see here all are educators from different states or countries which belongs to the university or college and having the subject about computer science. So here plus button, you can see that if I will click on this plus button, so I can see this person that Vidupriya Rastogi, and his grades are elementary, ages 5 to 10, university college, and subject is computer science. So when I will click on this F button, that is a Facebook icon, I can see him or her, I can also connect with, and we can also send an invite. So while clicking on this button, he or she will receive a mail from you that you want to connect with this particular educator on GridPals option. So similarly, you can see other educators also belongs to this university college option and having a subject computer science. And below that, you can also see the option that name of educator, city, state, country, and subjects and grades. So here you can click on any educator you would like to have connection. So you can see that it's a profile of this particular educator, that primary educator, teacher, coding and robotics, MIEE expert, Minecraft global mentor, and her grades, her subjects, her Facebook profile, Twitter, YouTube, Skype, LinkedIn. So you can see the profile and you can also visit the Discord library of that educator. So this is how simply you can connect with educators around the globe who are available in Flipgrid and they have activated their GridPal identity. So this is how you can connect with all the educators as per your requirement or as per your subject area, as per your grade, and with different countries you can connect with that educators and you can invite them in your particular grid or your topic, and you can also request them to showcase their grid and topics so that you can contribute your video responses to their topics or grid. So this is all about the word and the hashtag, that is a GridPals, and we believe that you will definitely explore this option to connect with educators having similar thoughts, similar area of interest as of you, so that it will be a collaborative learning during this remote learning, during this lockdown, so that you can share a bunch of new things with your students once all the university and colleges will be reopened. So thank you so much.